Hey, quick question. Did you know that you can use the portable printer that comes with the Ace Pro 2 and print directly from your phone? I'm going to show you how. Okay, so before we get started, the very first thing you're going to need to do is open the Insta360 app, make sure it is updated, and also make sure your printer is updated as well. And now that we've gone through all of the updates, let's show you how to print directly from the Insta360 portable printer. This thing is amazing. I absolutely love this little unit. It's very similar to the Kodak InstaShot that they've got. I've got one of those that prints the small little pictures. Love it. This is awesome because it mounts directly to my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and I can use it for street photography. However, that being said, sometimes there's a picture I may take and I want to run it through Lightroom. So I'll download it to my phone, run it through Lightroom, do a little color correction on it, make sure everything is working good. And then I want to print it. That's how you do it from here. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to come over here. We're going to open the Insta360 app. Now, this is probably where you're going to get a little confused on it, is you're not going to want to push the camera to connect to the device. You're going to turn on your printer. Soon as the little light starts flashing on it, it is ready to connect to something. You're going to go over into your settings and you're going to connect it via Bluetooth. Printer connect. It's going to be labeled as Pocket Printer A1F0. And as you can see, you're going to connect to it. So once you get that connected, we're ready to rock and roll now. Now this is where the confusion for some people has come in. Most people are going to want to push that little camera icon right there to try to connect to it. That is absolutely wrong. Don't do that. What you are actually going to push is the little icon for you, your account. It's going to pull up this whole line of stuff right here. On there, you're going to see Pocket Printer, which is right up there. Pocket Printer. You click Pocket Printer, and now you're going to get the prompt, as you can see right here, to connect. Ta-da! And now you are connected to your pocket printer. Now, you're going to see this right here, print a photo. You click print a photo. It's going to bring up the internal storage where Insta360 stores the photos that you have downloaded onto the app. Now, up here in this corner though, you'll see right there, it says album. If you click album, it now takes you into your phone. So now you're ready to print something. So let me go find a picture. Let's do this one. It's goofy. We're going to hit it and we're going to hit next and boom. It asks you at this point, do you want frameless or framed? So I'm going to go with framed and we are going to hit start printing. Ready to print, print. Now it's going to go through and transfer the image via Bluetooth, and then it's going to start the print process. Now what this printer is going to do is going to make multiple passes over it. For those of you who do not own this, it's going to lay the yellow, the cyan, the magenta, and all of that. And it's going to print out your picture, and then it's going to do a clear coat on it so it's ready for you to use. That first run we have, that's the yellow. The second run we have is the magenta. Now the last run it's going to do is the cyan, which is going to bring the rest of the photo into focus. And then it's going to pull it in one more time, and at this point it's going to lay the clear coat. And then ta-da, you have a picture and you are ready. That's the picture that we just printed. So quick Simple process. I will run over it one more time again. Update your app, update your printer, use the Insta360 app to access the printer itself, not the camera. You're going to go to the profile. But before you do that, you need to connect the camera via Bluetooth to your mobile device. Then you hit the profile, scroll down a little bit, and hit connect to printer. It's as simple as that. All right, so if you liked what I did today with this, showing you this, some little shortcuts and stuff that are available for these different action cameras, hit the like, subscribe, follow, and that's it. Talk to you guys later.